So why OneNote? Were you able to pick the topic or yeah, why OneNote?
Well, actually, they asked me to do a book on OneNote, so it was their topic that they picked. The big product that I've been promoting the heaviest right now is actually Microsoft Teams. So I'm like, let me write a book on that, and they're like, well, we just had someone write one, so they didn't need it as badly. But even though there's a lot of need for people learning Microsoft Teams. OneNote, though, to my benefit, is probably one of my favorite programs to use. So it was a delight and really a wonderful thing for me to have to do this and share my ideas.
I'm very grateful that you wrote a book on OneNote because being lucky enough to be one of the early readers and reviewers, I learned so much about OneNote and yeah, just the way that it was written was so easy to understand. So that was great. So I appreciate that it was on OneNote.